Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain user defined exception. I will explain how a user can create an exception and how it can be defined. So in Java we can always create our own exception and we can define our exception, but all the exception must be a subclass of exception class. So let's see an example of how a user exception can be created and how it can be thrown in a class with try and catch block. So here in this program, this is the exception that has been created. So class myException extends exception class. So myException is the name of custom exception that is created by user, and in myException the constructor has been created and a message has been passed using string. Now this is the class where I will be using the user defined exception. So in the method static void validate integer age throws myException. So this method will throw a user defined exception that has been created here. So this is how an exception can be created and how it can be thrown in a class. Next, if that exception occurs, then this message is printed, age is not valid. And if it does not happen, then simply else block will be executed. Next, in my main method, in the try block, the method is called, validate method is called, and the age that has been passed is 13, which is less than 18. So the exception will happen. What kind of exception will happen? This myException will happen. And what I am trying to print or what I am trying to handle it in the catch block, that is written here. Catch myException, object of the exception, and then I am going to print the error message. So this is very simple example of how an exception can be created. So first of all, we need to extend the exception class, then we need to create the constructor class, and then in another class we will throw the exception that has been created. So I hope with this example you can understand how exception handling is done in Java with user defined exception. The reference program has been uploaded on my GitHub page and link for the same has been shared in the description box. Thank you so much.